My name is Khara. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to be talking about beryllium, and I'm joined by my great friend, scientist, Professor Kai. So Professor Kai, would you help me to present the information on beryllium today?
Yes.
Thank you. So beryllium has an atomic number of 4, and it has an atomic mass of 9. It's found in 30 different minerals, and it's relatively common in the Earth's crust. Beryllium is a hard, brittle metal with a grayish-white surface. Beryllium never occurs as a free element, does it, Professor Kai?
No.
Only as a compound. The most common ore of beryllium is beryl, and the United States is the most common producer of beryl. Beryllium only has one natural occurring isotope, which is beryllium-9, and there are six known radioactive isotopes of beryllium.
Mommy, can I just spell no and then point at no?
Sure. So, Professor Kai,
This one doesn't work.
Professor Kai, is there anything else that you could tell us about beryllium?
Why, yes. Beryllium is toxic, and if you get it in your body, you die.
Oh dear. Professor Kai is talking about the powder form, which is especially toxic if it's inhaled. It can cause acute pneumonia-like symptoms that can result in death. And it can also cause chronic diseases of the respiratory system, such as bronchitis and lung cancer. As well, beryllium can cause allergic reactions and lead to severe illness called chronic beryllium disease. And it has symptoms of weakness, tiredness, and breathing problems. Some people develop anorexia and blueness of the hands and feet. It can lead to death. So, Professor, I understand that I can get exposed by just breathing air or eating food or drinking water. Is that possible to get it in food?
Why, yes.
What kind of foods would have beryllium in there?
Why, a pear.
Oh. Any other foods that could have it in there?
Kidney beans?
Kidney beans. Oh, those are common foods. So should I be worried when I eat these foods?
No.
Oh, how come?
They don't have that much that you could die.
Oh, that's good to know. Okay, Professor, is there anything else you'd like to tell us about beryllium?
Why, yes.
Those are beautiful gemstones.
Emeralds. Gemstones.
Oh, gemstones are minerals that are cut and polished to be used for jewelry, and a gemstone color is due to very small impurities in the mineral. What gemstones are those, Kai?
Emeralds.
Mm-hmm.
And aquamarine.
Aquamarine. These gemstones are made primarily out of beryl. Okay, Professor Kai, is there anything else that you would like to tell us about beryllium? Beryllium, it says that beryllium's highly useful. Can you explain how?
You can write it in a circuit board, a phone, and
Radar.
a radar, and computers.
Wow, those are very common everyday things. It does seem like it is a very important and useful mineral. In fact, it's used to make alloys, and beryllium alloys account for the majority of the type of alloys that are produced. And the copper beryllium conducts heat and electricity almost as well as copper, but the stronger, harder, and more resistant to fatigue and corrosion. So it's used in circuit boards, radars, computers, home appliances, automobiles, aircraft landing systems, auto ignition systems, lasers, microwave ovens. The list goes on and on. Professor Kai, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to talk with me and our audience on beryllium.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
See you again.